So, nandito kami sa loob, guys. Yan. And, nandoon yung kinakatakutan ko, snake. Oh my God.
Look, Dan, there's something in there.
How big is that? Ew, I have two. There's another one like this.
This is a Burmese python. Isn't he awesome?
Now this is a snake you could actually be scared of. See why it's really fat? Like from right here back to where it starts curving?
Yeah.
That's food inside of him. He's digesting.
Really?
Yeah, and he can open his mouth wide enough to take your head in.
I don't know what they fed him that.
Hypo snake. Rosie, whatever how do you read that?
Boa.
And boa, and then there's a little guy here, guys.
They're nocturnal. They live up to 15 years.
Ito naman daw, guys, type ng snake. And ayan siya, guys. Ito naman daw, guys, high white California snake. And ito siya. There you go.
It's a big guy, like 2 feet long.
Thorn snake. And there's the snake right there, guys. There you go. See the shadow.
Try to block the light.
There you go. Ayan yung itsura niya, guys, na snake. Parang yung similar sa snake in the Philippines. There you go.
Yeah, I'm not gonna look that.
Turtle, guys. Ayan yung
He's
turtle.
kicking. Look, he's got a nice cute little curvy tail and his little hand on the back. Just I'm seeing those figure out breaking water.
Turtle.
They don't breathe water. They hold their breath.
Kangaroo naman, guys, sa baba. Ayun. Nasa baba siya.
You can walk down there.
This is this one.
Those shell ducks. Yes, you are so cute. You guys are all so cute. That's why they make stairs for you so you can walk up here and see us. Touch them on the floor.